Good morning, students. I hope you all are well. So, as we have completed our chapter number 1, food and nutrition, and this chapter we have already discussed about what are the food items that we take to maintain our health and what are the nutrients present in our food. Okay, and how these nutrients are helpful for all of us. And after that, we have also discussed about the balanced diet. So the chapter was very interesting, and the chapter help us to know much more about our food and the nutrients present in them. Okay, very interesting chapter was that. So we have also done the worksheet related to the chapter. So today we'll start our new chapter, that is chapter number 2, plants making food. Chapter number 2, plants making food. So as we all know that plants are known as producers because they are able to prepare their food itself. They are autotrophic. They follow autotrophic mode of nutrition, and they prepare their food by the process known as photosynthesis. And the leaf of the plant help them to prepare their food, as they have a pigment that is known as chlorophyll that provides them green color and also help the plant to prepare their food. Okay, so the first one is all living beings, plants, animals and humans need energy to live, and this energy is obtained from the food and nutrients they consume. So we get energy from the food that we eat and the nutrients that we consume. So after this, if we talk about the green plants, make their own food with the help of sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, and this process is known as photosynthesis. Photo means light, and synthesis means to prepare. So the green plants prepare their food in the presence of light. Okay, sunlight is necessary, and with the help of water, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll that is already present in the leaves help in trapping of sunlight. Okay, so after this, student, humans and animals depend on plants for food either directly or indirectly. That's why plants are called producers. Okay, that's why the plants are called producers, because all the animals depend on plants for their food. Because if we talk about the herbivores, they directly eat the plants, and the carnivores and the omnivore eat the herbivores, so they indirectly depend on the plants for their food. Next topic is about leaf. So we know that leaves are mostly green color. Most of the plants we see around are green plants. Okay, and they appear green due to the presence of green substance called chlorophyll in their leaves. Okay, so student, here you can see different types of leaves. The shapes are there, the different types of leaves are there. Next, student, about parts of leaf. So what are the different parts of leaf? You would find that there are different shapes and size and have different parts. You can see the shape is different. This leaf is different from this one. This is also different. So their shapes of the leaf are completely different. Some leaves are small in size, some are big in size. We can see the leaf of a neem, okay, and the leaf of banana is completely different in shape and size. Okay, so next is about the parts of leaf are, first one is leaf blade. Okay, student, if we talk about this, for example, this is a leaf. Okay, and this part, this broad part, is known as leaf blade. Okay, we can also call it lamina. The broad part of the leaf is known as leaf blade. Then there is a midrib. There is a vein in the center of the leaf that divides the leaf into two equal halves, and it is known as midrib. Okay, student. After this, from this midrib, large number of veins are arising, which are known as side veins or the veinlets. Then there is a stalk is there that attaches the leaf to the branches and to the stem, that is known as petiole or stalk. That is known as petiole or stalk. Okay, student. So next is the midrib is there. Okay, so midrib, it is the center, is known as midrib. The main vein that runs along the center of the leaf, the vein that is present in the center of the leaf, is known as midrib. After this, side veins are there. The side vein branch out from the midrib. They carry water and nutrients to the plant. These are known as side veins. Okay, veinlets are also we can call them, and they carry nutrients to different parts of the plant. Next is apex, the tip of the leaf. This one, this is known as apex, and petiole, the part that joins the leaf to the main stem. This one is known as petiole. Okay, that join the leaf to the main stem. After this, if we talk about on the underside of the leaf are tiny pores called stomata. If we remove this, the epidermis layer, we can see there are tiny pores are there, and which are known as stomata, and these stomata help in exchange of gases like carbon dioxide and oxygen during the process of photosynthesis. So a leaf takes in carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen and water vapor through stomata. So these are the tiny holes present underside the leaf, and stomata is very tiny and can be seen under a microscope. If you see the leaf under a microscope, you will able to see this stomata. The tiny pores are there, and these stomata are like this. They are surrounded by guard cells, and this hole is known as stomatal aperture. Okay, stomatal pore is there through which the carbon dioxide moves in and the oxygen move out of the stomata. Okay, next student, about functions of the leaf. What are the different functions of the leaf? First one is leaves are very useful for the plants. And how? Leaves produces food for the plant. Therefore, they are known as food factory of a plant, or we can also call them kitchen of the plant. Next is the exchange of gases happen through stomata present in the leaves. The stomata help in exchange of gases like carbon dioxide and oxygen, and these stomata are present in the leaves. Next one is leaves store food for the plant. Some leaves store food. For example, these leaves are edible. Coriander, spinach, lettuce, cabbage, etc. are examples of leaves eaten by human beings. Okay, so these leaves store food and we eat these leaves as a food. The last one is leaves help in reproduction of plants. Reproduction means to produce more of their own kind. To grow new plant, leaves also help in reproduction of a plant, for example in bryophyllum. Okay, so student, these today we have discussed about the how photosynthesis takes place in plant, and what is the parts of the leaf and what are the functions of the leaf. So student, this is all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.